Hi guys, here is Math Basic. One of the basic topics of mathematics is called coordinate system. Well, I have written the definition of coordinate system here. As you can see, this system consists of two axes, x and y. The x-axis is horizontal and its positive direction is to the right, and y-axis is vertical and its positive direction is to the top. Next page. Each point on the coordinate axis is written in this way: x and y, which we call an ordered pair. Why ordered pair? Because the order of the numbers inside the parentheses is important. For example, at point P, the length is 5 and the width is 7. X, Y, 5, 7. And if we changing the order of these numbers, we refer to the specification of another point. Next article is about coordinate regions. The coordinate plane has four areas called quadrants. As we can see, these areas are numbered counterclockwise. First, second, third, fourth. Any point in the first quadrant has a length and width greater than 0, like point A. And any point in the second quadrant has a length less than 0 and width greater than 0, like point B. And any point in the third quadrant has a length and width less than 0, like point C. And any point in the fourth quadrant has a positive length and a negative width, like point D. Here we have x-axis. We call this line the x-axis. The equation of this axis is as follows: y equal 0. So any point whose width is 0 lies on this line, like 2, 0, minus 6, 0. And this is a y-axis. Axis equation is x equal 0, and the length of all points on the y-axis is 0, like 0, 7. The next thing is the bisector of the first and third quadrants. This line bisects the first and third regions, and any point whose lengths and widths are equal to each other lies on this line, like 10, 10, 3, 3, minus 4, minus 4, minus 9, minus 9. Equation of this line is y equal x, and general form of points is like that. And here we have the bisector of the second and fourth regions. As we can see, any point whose lengths and widths are symmetrical to each other lies on this line. So, for example, point minus 10, 10, minus 3, 3, 4, minus 4, 9, minus 9. And the equation of this line is y equal minus x. In this section, we have reached a general view of the quadrant system. In the next section, we will look at the important formulas of this topic. Goodbye.